Welcome back to Genealogy Made Simple. Today we're tackling something, well, almost everyone struggles with, right? Those mountains of family photos, digital ones, physical ones. I mean, my camera roll is terrifying.
Yeah.
And then you inherit boxes from, say, your grandmother. It's just, wow, where do you even begin?
Oh, I hear you. It feels huge. But there's such a powerful why behind organizing them. It's more than just tidying up. It's really about rediscovering memories, finding that connection, that sense of belonging. It feels good.
Yeah, that's true. Getting past the overwhelm to actually enjoy them.
Exactly. The goal is creating a system where you can actually find those moments when you want them, making them accessible.
Okay, so let's dive in. Digital photos first. They seem like the biggest beast for many people. The key seems to be taking it one step at a time. Don't try to do it all at once.
Definitely. Bite-sized pieces are the way to go.
So step one is basically getting everything in one place, like all your phone pics, cloud storage, everything.
That's the foundation. Pull it all into one central spot, iCloud, Google Drive, maybe an external hard drive, whatever works for you. It just stops you from, repeating steps later.
Yeah.
Central access.
Makes sense. Then comes the scary part, decluttering.
The essential purge, yes. And be a little ruthless here. We're talking duplicates, blurry shots, maybe those 50 screenshots of the same thing.
Guilty?
We all are. And photos that just don't spark anything. If you can't remember why you took it, maybe let it go. A lot of phones have tools now to help find duplicates, or you can tag your favorites, which often creates automatic albums, useful shortcuts.
Okay, decluttering. Got it.
Yeah.
That alone probably makes a huge difference.
It really does. It makes what comes next much, much easier to handle.
Right. So next up is creating albums.
Yeah, think about how you will search later. Is it by event, like Ann Carroll's wedding, or by person? Or maybe just by year. Start broad, then maybe make subfolders like 2023, then summer vacation inside that.
And I saw a note about something called bulk rename for Windows to help sort by date.
That can be handy, yeah, if your files have date info. It helps batch things quickly.
Okay, so albums are set up, then you actually sort the photos into them.
Right. And maybe start with those favorites you tagged earlier. Get some quick wins. The big thing here is take breaks. Don't burn out. Maybe aim to sort just 1 month's worth of photos each day, something manageable.
Good advice. Avoid decision fatigue.
Exactly. And use the tech. Facial recognition on your phone or computer. Search by place or event. Lean on those tools.
It's kind of amazing what phones can find now.
It really is. And you'll inevitably go down memory lane finding forgotten gems. Just try to pace yourself during the main sort.
Okay, so sorted. Then what? Sharing them.
Yeah, sharing is key. It brings them back to life. Think about platforms like Family Search Memories, where you can link photos to ancestors, or just simple cloud sharing with family and, printing, creating a physical photo book. That tactile thing is really powerful.
Oh, I love photo books. Such a nice way to actually look at them.
Definitely evokes those positive feelings. And finally, for digital, the trick is keeping it up. Set habits.
Right. Don't let it become a mountain again.
Exactly. Maybe a monthly reminder on your calendar. Just review recent photos, delete the junk, back things up, simple maintenance.
Okay, that covers digital. Now, physical photos. Old shoeboxes, albums.
Many steps are similar, but yeah, the medium changes things. There's something satisfying about handling physical prints, though.
True. So, step one is the same, consolidate.
Yep, the hunt and gather stage. Find all the loose photos, the albums, negatives, slides, even undeveloped film rolls if you have them. Set up a temporary workspace. But the crucial tip here, don't start sorting or reminiscing yet. Just gather. Stay focused.
Resist the urge to look through everything immediately. Got it.
It prevents overwhelm right at the start. Once you have it all, then you create your system. And, importantly, prepare a discard pile.
Ah, yes, the permission to throw photos away.
You absolutely can throw photos out. Think about how you'll search events, people, dates. Then maybe label some temporary boxes or piles. There's a method I saw mentioned, the ABCS method. It's quite helpful.
ABCS. Tell me more.
Okay, so A is for the absolute keepers. Important stuff. Digitize these, maybe put them in an archival album. B is for photos that support stories, good context, but maybe not album-worthy. Keep these, perhaps just in an archival box. C is for clutter. Toss the obvious duplicates, the really blurry ones, landscapes where you have 10 almost identical shots.
Like my 20 sunset pictures from that one holiday.
Exactly. Keep the best one or two. And S is for photos that tell a specific story. Even if they aren't technically perfect photos, they have value.
I like that. It's kind of like Marie Kondo's Spark Joy, but for photos. Does it tell a story? Is it important?
Sort of, yeah. Prioritizing meaning. Then, step 4 is the actual organizing, sorting into your piles or boxes.
And this is where you can reminisce a bit.
Definitely. And as you sort, jot down notes. Who's in the photo? When was it? What's the story? Use sticky notes or write gently on the back with an appropriate pencil. Oh, and wear cotton or plastic gloves, especially for older photos. Protects them from fingerprints and oils.
Good tip. Okay, sorted, labeled, then digitization.
Critically important for physical photos. They fade, they can get damaged or lost. Digitizing is your backup. Plus, it lets you share them easily. Again, Family Search Memories is great for linking these scans to your family tree.
So you get a digital copy and preserve the original.
Ideally, yes. And the last step is maintenance. Decide on long-term storage for the physical copies, archival boxes, acid-free albums. And maybe explore restoring really damaged photos or even colorizing old black and whites. That can be amazing.
Wow, okay. That's a comprehensive plan for both digital and physical. It feels more doable broken down like that.
It really is. It takes time, but the payoff is huge.
Absolutely. Whether you're deep into building your family tree or just want to enjoy your own memories, getting your photos organized has such lasting value.
It really does. And here's a final thought. Think beyond just finding your sense of belonging. Imagine the legacy these organized memories create for generations to come, the stories they'll uncover, the connection we'll feel, all because you took the time to do this now. What will they discover?